All right. Welcome to another episode of Fried Plug Podcast. Today I'm with my sister.
Hi,
We've been
brother.
talking. I couldn't start because now she's talking. Hey, she talks. I'm with my sister Unonjabulo Nkosi. Yeah, we are here to have a conversation.
Yes.
I like what you said, off record. It's not an interview, it's a conversation.
Yes.
And it's exactly that.
And one I've been meaning to have, by the way. Now it's Katz Sam says Figile.
Yeah.
Uzokhuluma mayiphele le interview. Ngedlala. Kodwa nje asibingelele kuqala ngiyabingelela everyone who's watching, and I encourage everyone ukuthi I like us subscribe isingisi enze nje yonke into bese niyashare futhi guys, because I think we're going to have a nice conversation that deserves to be heard by abantu abaningi. So getting to know me.
Yeah, that's why we're here. You are here to plug us, and we're here to plug you.
Yes.
So we're here to plug each other.
Yes.
This is what this platform is about.
I see a twin plug. Okay, it's a double plug.
It's a double plug.
It's so nice to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
I think you'll get to know me better after this interview.
Of
and I feel
course.
like some people don't know me. And this is an opportunity for them to get to know me as well.
Nami, I'm gonna get to know you because I think most of abantu abakhona community yethu siyazana siyabonana ko Pick n Pay ubuso abanye besifunda nabo kodwa still asazana. Here we are here to unpack
a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah, not everything, because ministry is also a thing. So, Unonjabulo Nkosi. Ngakhona la eFried eMondlo. Ngikhulele khona nje abanye bathi hey sigebengu saseMondlo, call it what you call it, but I was born and bred eMondlo all my life nje ngaseMondlo, so it's double tapping between eMondlo and Vryheid. So yeah.
Ukuzalwa uzalelwe khona.
Ngizalwa
wakhulela khona.
Yes.
So umquluso ophelele.
Nje 100%.
Usekhaya mawuthi Fried Plug. Push agenda as a Fried Plug.
Yes, I'm not okay, no, it's fine. But Usekhaya. Because I went to Inhliziyo Primary School.
Where's that?
It's in Mondlo.
Oh, okay.
If iyaziwa nje mawungayanga khona shothi wayakulezi ezinye, but Inhliziyo Primary School. Then I went to Lakeside Primary.
Yeah.
And then ngasuke Lakeside ngaya eFried Comprehensive.
Yes.
And
la
yeah, la design. Yeah, boy, view it
By the way, thank you so much to Busy Corner for giving us the space. Ukuthi sikwazi ukurekhoda le conversation.
Thank you so much. After a beautiful night,
Hey,
it was so beautiful.
I was actually here. Funny, I was here the whole night doing sound for All White Party. It's why Fried.
Yes, Fried All White Party.
All White Party. Yeah, it was the first time we gone, and they partied till 5 in the morning.
Yeah,
so maseng fonela I manager ka Nonjabulo. Look, jalo
sine date. We have an appointment.
But on that note, Siswam, thank you so much for coming. I know umsebenzi wakho seLundi manje. You drove all the way. We really appreciate that. I think she respects herself and respects us, and we honor
because
that.
This is a brand. This is a respectable brand, and I think it's high time that we embrace our own brands before our brands are cool. You find umuntu a number one fan yekwenye brand yekwenye ndawo when we have the exact same thing and why not support each other? I think if we put our heads together, singenza nje into enhle kabi.
Do you know how much talent and gifts we have life ahead?
I know,
but we're failing to collaborate and support each other. You see that the spirit of a competition, and we fail to collaborate. Yes, with this ngakhona
manje ke so iqeda kanjani lento?
Ubani okubuza ama questions phela uka ready sis.
Phela now I'm also going to ask you questions. I need to know you better because I always thought you were so quiet.
Serious?
We've never said like this. We've never met before, right? It's the first time. I want to, my prophet must. Have I met you before?
No.
This is go deep up. No, I've never. I don't want to lie. It passed by, and you passed by.
Yeah.
But I've always thought you were a quiet dude. And no. You failed in these 2 hours. I've seen you. You've never been quiet. So now, I know because I told you to composure. There's no composure over it.
Hi, Bo.
Fella, you get to know me, I get to know you.
Yeah.
So I think it's high time we embrace each other since I'm on collaborations in all spheres of media, and also we need to get together and do something. Boganji always be success because people came together and they embraced it. Come up with something different.
Then
so that's so supportana. But I think I made the right decision, and I've been meaning to come here with Fried Plug, and I'm here again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lucas Busi is finding a greatness.
After this, it's gonna go even greater. It's 11. My levels. So I knew some levels.
Who is Nonjabulo? Ghost.
Nonjabulo Nkosi is me.
Of course.
No, I'm just untombazane nje njengoba sengishilo waseMondlo.
Okay.
I'm a sister, I'm a mom, I'm a friend, I'm an acquaintance, makushiwo njalo. I'm just ingane yakhona la nami who's trying to do something different, who's trying to not phelela la nje duzane. I'm trying to build something, and I hope good one day a full picture will come to life, and people will see good. This is what she's been trying to do. So I'm just me. Fortunate enough, I've had platforms. I'm a radio personality. I also do. I'm a public speaking. I'm an MC as well. No. So I do that. That's my job. Also, okubalekile kakhulu ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu in this community. I've accepted Christ as my Lord and Savior.
Amen.
I think that's what helps me kuyo yonke lento engizama ukuyenza. And engikujabulelayo, I received Christ when I was on the peak of my emceeing career, because some would say I was emceeing Guma Groove Nam Ganje, but it doesn't align anymore with my brand. So when that was happening, I received Christ, and I had to rebrand again. Let me do izinto kanje that's gonna align with my beliefs and with the main
what
command of Christ. Yes. I know ukuthi kuyenzeka khona abafundisi abangama DJs, they go to groove and they DJ, but they go back home because of the love of music, because of the love of what they are doing. But khona ezinye izinto ezithi no, it doesn't align anymore with the brand that I'm trying to build.
The brand and the vision.
So I decided to stop that. But nje ngiloyo ngihlangana nami emgwaqeni nje, I'm the sweetest girl alive. Yes. I know, I've tasted myself. You have to taste yourself. Are you bitter, sour, or sweet?
Yeah.
People always know you know how you are.
Yeah, absolutely. Angazi bengikhuluma nobani namhlanje ngikhuluma about how we fail to do introspection,
Yes.
Most of the time siyathanda ukublame the next person.
But
singaziboni ukuthi kodwa nami
funny you should mention that, because uyabona nasesontweni mawukuthi umfundisi uyashumayela akhulume ngezinto ukuthi abantu benza ukuthi you never but I do that. But ngiyangibona abanye abantu ukuthi abathi yes yimi lo khulunywa ngayo. They always say, njengobani, ubani owenza lokho. And are we directing kuwena message that is coming? On Christmas Day, ngisebenza ngekho ngisolund. So I had a Christmas picnic alone. I did that.
Alone?
I was alone in the park. I did a picnic, which is amazing. It was. No, listen. So I did it, and I had this plate. When on TikTok, they were doing a challenge. Yeah, plate. They were writing down into that they are letting go of. So I did that in Bala, what I was letting go of. And ngabhala zonke izinto lezi kade zingihlupha, your pain, your hurt, your debts, your illegal financial decision and what. But while I was writing, Connie dad say, maybe you are toxic. Maybe you should write that down. Good, you are letting go of that because you never know. Maybe you are toxic in a way. And I had to write that. And I had to write to Guti, maybe I'm dishonest also. I had to write things that are uncomfortable. Ngami face mina. I wrote those things down. Ngaphihliza leyo plate. It's a ritual nje ongayenza now, it's nice. But ngibonile in that process ukuthi sometimes lezi zinto ezimbi ngathi we don't want to say it or we don't want to face it because sometimes ukuthi you're not trustworthy when you know, but ulokuthi I'm getting rid of fake friends. Maybe somehow somewhere you also a fake friend. So you need to face those things. That's how you know how you taste after you've done that.
That's how you know how you taste.
Yes.
Sure. It takes a lot of humility ukwazi ukuthi uzbuke and ubone ukuthi yazi I need to work on these things because I can show up as a different or as a better person. You know, like I said, we always tend to point to the next person and sometimes but always
take time to
contribution.
yourself now.
Yes.
On how you handle things and all that. So
okay.
No one is perfect.
That is nice. Perfect.
No one's perfect.
That is why we accepted Christ, right?
Yes. Nakona, in accepting Christ, we are not perfected. We are not.
He is perfect.
He is the perfect one. That's why we strive for him. That's why we must be Christ-like. So we are not being perfected. We are being completed, but not being perfected. Because ezinye izinto buzenza nje uzenzela nje anywho and anyhow. But when you've accepted Christ, you continuously working on yourself to showing up as a better person for umndeni wakho, for your friends, for your family, for even your colleagues at work. You always in that process yokuthi namhlanje kusazi. That's why kuthiwa sindiswa njalo. Ukusindiswa kusikwa namhlanje kuphela. Sindiswa every day it's a process.
Beautiful. Talking about I heard you speaking of, I know that you're a founder of a movement, I think. And Israeli Kuluma of record. Something about something that you do for
ladies.
Women.
Yes. So I am a founder of Roses Among Stones.
Okay.
It's been going on for 4 years now.
Okay.
Next year, 5 years. It's our fifth.
Yeah?
It's our fifth.
Yeah.
Okay. And you remember we spoke about because part of something that is new. They only tag along when they see the potential of that thing, which is not wrong. It's okay because that's how God works. Abantu bafuna ukuyithemba into yakho beze beyibona ukuthi how sekuya nobani sekuya noba
now we can associate ourselves.
And I was so lucky. This year's conference was super big. Angazi singathini. UNkulunkulu nje wenza something different than other years. So when I started Roses Among Thorn, I had a conversation with God Guti. I want to influence abantu in a positive light.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do something for God and myself and the community as well. Ukuthi si benefit kuyo sonke. And hence ike kwaba khona Roses Among Stones. It's for ladies. Ngiyaxolisa nkosami abantu besilisa ngiyazi ukuthi njalo masiqeda ukuyenza bayathanda ukuthi how thina nisenzela nini into kanje. So yini ke labo kumele nenze into kanjalo.
Thina singaba ama service providers.
Angithi yabo. So when we started 4 years ago, it was just 15, 20 people, and then as the years went by, this year, last year, 2024.
Yeah.
I'm so over 2024. But this year, hey, I think we were almost 150. So now it's growing, and it's based to help abantu besifazane kwenze lento desist to introspect abantu beyibuke bona and bebuka impilo yabo be elevate futhi, because I always say after a conference masesinayo mayiqala, by the way ngangithi mina conference ngoba ngangisaba ukuthi hey ngizosingithi conference kanti ngingafika abantu abaningi, but I changed 2 years back ukuthi imini conference because I saw ukuthi it's something that's so influential.
Yes.
So siliyandaba abantu besifazane in all walks of life, financial, social, psychological, sontweni, a member nje of the community. We also have testimonies, because I believe ukuthi uma uyivalele khonini what you are going through, ungezwe abanye abantu ukuthi what are they going through or what they went through bona. Khona le
So
element
itshela ukuthi
yokuyibulala, yes, uyitshena ukuthi uwedwa and uyitshena ukuthi isimo sakho sesinzima. Yes, khona abantu they were knocking on death's door,
and they
but
overcame.
they turn around 360. So it's all about that empowering woman, and also ngeindaba zomsebenzi, indaba zokuyisebenza wena futhi, and abanye bathi it's feminist. No, it's not about that. It's about empowering umuntu wesifazane ukuthi noma na umuntu wesilisa noma engena umuntu wesilisa, it doesn't make a difference empilweni yakho. Iqiniso ukuthi iqiniso sengilamkelile ukuthi angeke sonke size sibe nabantu besilisa empilweni zethu. Some of us sohlala nje sinje.
Now I find us now phakathi.
No, I'm just
So
saying in
yeah.
general,
Yeah.
it's not gonna always be like that for all of us.
Yeah.
So abanye abantu besifazane, they don't accept that. Bathole sebuye kuma relationship wrong, kuma relationship ababulalalayo and toxic ngoba nakhe efuna kube khona umuntu azomthanda. So sinabantu besifazane abanjalo ukuthi I've been single for this a number of years, and it's fine. Impilo iyaqhubeka. You can have your own house, your own car, have your own things as a woman. Ungathi ufuna ukuba nalezo zinto kuphela only makukhona umuntu wesilisa kuwena.
Okay.
Which is asikhuluma abantu besilisa kabi. We're just empowering you as a being. So that's how Roses Among Stones happen, and it's growing, and I'm so happy ukuthi na next year there are people abasebecelile ukuthi we want to be part, we want to support you kanje, and I'm so grateful for that.
Oh, lovely. Kwakubi ukuthi nathi abantu besilisa samukelekile.
No, listen, wamkelekile phela in your capacity ngoba singahlebi ngawe, right?
But I sing at.
It's not about you. Laphana go soothe the hearts, go heal the
men's
hearts.
conference.
Yes, it's the same as men's conference. Yes, it's successful. We are going men's conference. Focus. No, we're doing this for ourselves and also for Tina food.
How's your career radio? How's that going for you?
Oh, that was nice. I don't want to lie to you. I love radio with all my heart. I always say this. Good see, radio is my first love. No man sevenza lapeng sevenza corner. I always tell them at work also. Good see, this is my second love, but my first love really is radio, because when ngiganongoma, I went there after my after my matric ngiyofunda khona. So mangilapha kukhona radio station eyayikhandwe kaSiboniso Zulu. Umntwana Nongoma FM.
Okay. Oh yes.
So by that time yayiqalwa iNongoma FM and I used to listen because they came to campus basitshena ngayo what nje before ngeke ngisho ukuthi kade ngilalela ukhozi bengilalela no I wasn't like that. So masifika kaNongoma and I fell in love with the presentation. Yeah, they came, they presented, and I listened. I tuned into Nongoma FM. Oh, the talent was amazing. I don't know if you know Chris Masondo. He used to go by the name Chris Ndamas or Asemond, but manje seku Chris Masondo.
Okay.
I think he
Nongoma.
Gatega Nongoma that time.
Okay.
But now he's in Joburg. Great things are coming, by the way. Yes. Okay. So, Chris, no lawyers inkosi, nje babaning. Yes, abaga Nongoma FM there. And I listened. They were so hyped. I fell in love with radio because I used to go to the station as well in Baharas, and I went to the station, and then guys while they do it, and I fell in love with even the setup of what they were doing because it's all technical, like you are doing. So I got exposed to radio while I was in Nongoma Ganjal. So shout out to Nongoma FM for making the girl love radio.
Yeah.
And then so fast forward, we do our top 20, but I wasn't really part of it. I was just there because so yeah, I do that. We do that. So when I came back la Efrayet later, SR.
Sure.
I don't remember, but Mangfiga, they have already done my auditions.
Okay.
I think they did my auditions a year before the radio station opened.
Yeah.
And Mang Bonala go Facebook. Hayibo kuzovula radio station sengiyabuza ke ama auditions wona hayi sebekhona abantu sebeneylots zabo. What? Are you serious? Asikaze sizwe phela ngale ndaba yabo. So it was a community thing yabo lento uma kwenzeka into yomphakathi vele kumele kube khona nama community meetings nan. So kwenziwa kuleyo processing ngekho thina yabo kungafinyeleli kwabanye. So they had all the presenters, they've already done interviews by the time I heard of the ACR. So, okay, remember? So I went again. So I went there. Ngafika lapho ngathola bothulani Mhlophe, ngokati o.com, oSiyalo. They were already there.
Okay.
So I asked, but first now I also want to do this radio thing. I Betsy, no, woza because khona kabanye ababe fakiwe bese bengekho mhlawumbe they moved to somewhere yabo. So kwase kwaba ne opening ukuthi abantu ke babefuna ilots lezi egqamile yabo lezo obo 6 to 9 yabo 3 to 6 and what benza lokho ke babehlukene ngoba kwakhona nomcebo omncane who were doing So ngafika ke kuyi breakfast show safika nje ngababona ukuthi bakhuluma kanjani ngaphinde ngabuya futhi ngaphinde ngabuya and they said do you really want to do this ngathi yes I do want to do this. They gave me slots mfethu sango 3 to 6 ekseni.
Ayo.
Yes, that's where I started. That's where I started. So
wawusakaza silele.
Kodwa ke khona abantu abavukayo ngalezo ikhathi. It was so fun, I don't want to lie to you. So .com ngitshengisa intambo ngitshengisa ukuthi kwenze njani and I said no I'll take it. Then I had to move from eMondlo. I came la ngoba khona umamkhulu la elokishini because kwakusekuseni kakhulu ngangeke ngize ngikhona ufika. So I did that show 3 to 6 Monday to Friday.
Sure.
I called it a fresh start. I had all the production. I did all the content and everything. It was so beautiful. I don't want to lie to you. It grew. Audience yami yakhule abaningi. I think abantu babevula ngisho benza ama alarms so that they can listen.
Wow.
And mostly ke lapho ke go 5 to 6. It's when people are have waken up. you would get calls. I did that with so much. Ngayenza ngathi ngenzi 3 to 6 yasemini because I understood that's what I wanted and I have to grow from this thing. So I did it 3 to 6. It was so nice. I miss it. I don't want to lie to you. So abaphathi ke basebabona ukuthi ayi cha ugirl uyashaya. They moved me to 9 to 12.
Okay.
Not 9 to 12, from 12 to 3.
Okay.
Ngase ngenza umsebe yelanga ke 12 to 3
Okay.
ACR. I think I did ACR for 2 years.
Okay.
Uyazi ke izinto zomphakathi ukuthi zinjani, you know, always building. And I saw, because mase ngenza 12 to 3, I had to go back home. Okay, sengiyohlala ekhaya ngizobuya ngize la. It was a struggle financially. I don't want to lie to you. Yabona nje nokuthi ubone ke abantu indlela abenza ngayo izinto, uyazazi into zasekhaya. Angifuni ukuthi kuthiwe ngithe.
Cha, angizazi kahle kahle.
So that happened. It was becoming more stressful. And the way got ngenza ngakhona, I was so good at it. I think ekhaya becabanga ukuthi nakhona I'm getting paid.
Ish.
Ne? And I was not getting paid. Ukuyimisela kwami. And now ngaze communications, it's like, no, you are getting paid. God, wenzi lutho. So they took it as a job because they saw ukuthi idlodlobala kanjani. So they said, there's no way ukuthi you are not getting paid. You are this good and you have this going on and this and this. But what I can say, ukuthi radio opened more emceeing gigs for me. That's how I made money. Ukuthi if mhlawumbe umuntu engiqasha, please come MC for us. So
it was a sacrifice.
It was. I don't want to lie to you. It did. Iyangikhulisa kakhulu. But I came to a point where I had to really choose ukuthi, do I continue? Because I remember ukuthi mele ngizame nje 20 rand okugibela ibus. Ngize. I know ukuthi angeke ngilale like lokishini mase ngifike la lokishini. And always hustling for imali yokuya nokubuya. Remember, I did 5 days wonke on radio. So it was taxing kakhulu. Uyabona into mayikanjalo udinga ugcina wenza ama bad decisions. Just nje umuntu okhuluma nami sengimele ngim-entertain because I know ukuthi I need to get to work and stuff. And ubone futhi na kwi management ukuthi no asekho mqondo munye, but they like what I'm doing, what I'm delivering, but they are not meeting or matching up the energy. So I decided to quit. I think because ngizophela. Kungcono ukuthi uyabona nje mawuzama imali yokugibela. Uzama imali yokugibela kodwa what are you going to wear? What and stuff. So it's becoming more of a burden than it's I love it. And ngabona ukuthi no, these people don't care about us. They don't care about the presenter at that time, right? And so at that time I felt like the management is failing us, and it was failing a lot of people. I mean, I think I was almost the last person already. People who started with the station had dropped out. You know, and ngahlala isikhathi eside and made a decision to no, because khona meeting eyenzeka ngabona ukuthi no ngizophela phela ngase ngayeka ke.
Is that what drove you to be where you are manje ngokomsebenzi?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
If they had made means yokuthi, you know, you don't want too much as a person, and it's a community radio station and stuff, but you need your needs to be met, right? So that time ngihleli, I think it was almost a year. It wasn't the whole year. It was almost a year, 2022.
Yeah.
And then I got a call from SAPS Wamanje. And are you still interested to go? Because you had applied before.
Yes.
We had I don't know how many times I applied for the SAPS.
I
don't want to like so I think ngagijima ngo5 kwa SAPS.
Yabo uyazi ubani gijima ka5 at least. Gijima kathathu.
At least I will go 2. Khona ugijima nganye yeka. I'm like but ngazodlala.
Consistency. That's what I'm saying in a conversation yethu when mukhuluma ngawo. is that you are a very consistent person and you're driven. Kumbala ngikutshela ngiyasetapha now uyabamba. I'm like,
do something.
I'm like, hi bro. And you know,
that's
I
how
like
you
that. That's
acquire
teamwork.
knowledge by doing.
Yeah.
So I've always been a fight target like that.
Yeah.
Good thing. I ngize
Yeah.
ngiphele. They are
Beautiful.
annoyed by
That's
the fact
nice.
that when I yonke indawo nje wenza yonke you know ngakwazi kuyenza. I'm like I'm trying
people
to
don't
have
understand.
so much knowledge.
People don't understand that. I am happy that you're saying that. Also, ngoba ukhuluma about doing what you love and also so ikhonto phakathi nawe ekuhluphayo ukuthi uyenze lento. And it's not even about you. It's about
the
what
next
you want.
person.
The next person. It is selfless. And then you suffer in the process.
Eish.
Yeah, but ilapho okwenza ukuthi you've got this passion project that you want to push and you go. Ungene enkingeni. But because you want to say inkinga leyo ayikho enye. Ayikho inkinga hlahle nje ngoba phela ukuze lezi zinto zenzeke they cost.
Yes, they cost a lot.
And not
of money.
all ngaso sonke isikhathi uzothola ama sponsorships, you know, people that will open up space for you like this. It's relationships that do those things for you, which means isn't progress yakho may take longer than umuntu that has money ukuthi akwenze, but i-growth yami neyakha efana. Yami is organic because by the time ubusy wena ustructure imali okugibela, some things were being built kuwe.
And people were laughing that I was helping people in a way. You'd meet someone, that's the most rewarding thing ever. Edlula imali. Mase ngihambe down, you'd meet someone, yabona lento ade ukhuluma ngayo radio because it's healing also. Let's hope ke benikhuluma ngayo. Then you understand because you are part of the greater picture than what you thought when ungacabanga nje ukuthi I'm doing this ukuthi abantu besizakala, but you are influencing kakhulu kunale ndlela leyo ucabanga ukuthi influence. It's bigger than you think. And I always crave for that ukuthi umuntu noma ngasho umuntu the whole week kusho umuntu oyedwa ukuthi you know what you were speaking about today I can relate to it and thank you've been with great help, because that opens up a conversation yokuthi you are not alone. We know about that. It happens. So it becomes lighter on you ukuthi you know. And I think that's my mission. Mangathiwa nje emhlabeni zowenzani ngizovuselela ithemba mfowethu ukuthi it's not over. Every day do something kuzoze kudlule lokho ufacane nayo and nokuthi sibaningi
hlezi ngisho komunye khona umoya engikhuluma naye that's going through a hard time, so wacela isikhathi ukuthi uzoxoxa nami. Mefika I remember because I went through a hard time nami and a friend of mine engibona ukuthi you know this guy is going through a difficult time. Wow, mangibuka wathi mana ke mbuli yini special ngawo. Yini leso special ngawo ukuthi wena ufuna ungayifeel pain. Yini leso special ngafuna ungadluli lezi zimo lezi. Ungathu cema kupain uyabona. But that healed me because immediately ngacabanga ngathi wathi yaqala ngawo yabo. I was like yaqala ngami. So kwangisiza lokho because then I sat back, not ukuthi way harsh, whatever, like Petru, not to get over it, but Petru, don't dwell on it though.
Yes.
So now I did the same thing. Man, come and I look. I know pain. I know I can't feel your pain. I can see the pain go, but I can sense the pain, but I can't feel the pain you feel. I know what is wrong, but I'm not. You feel like when I can't. So what do I get? Kumbola. There's nothing so special ngawo ukuthi na ufuna ungafeel ungago through this zimethis because aqala ngawo futhi what is funny is izimo edlula kuzo yazi ukuthi mase usudlulini you start to celebrate ama results aphuma from i process odlule kuyo ye pain. Certain things are born through that pain. So it's we have to appreciate the process yet our fun processes yet
our fun.
You may reach a corner when quicker than me. But mina what the processing
it's not a race even.
It's not a race. It's not a race. But in Gonj, I'm a popcorns. I'm a corns la muafaka epotweni.
They don't pop at the same time. Yes.
So it landing at must that disconnect I'd wish to see, and I'm happy that it's happening, Git. And when as you are growing and booming and you continue to boom, other people see there's a trace. This is on record. It's there. Which look, they did it, and bakwenza with what they had, and
at that time.
but it's gonna inspire somebody.
Yes.
Because it lives beyond ourselves. So I like what you said. What we said, Mangiti, what do we do for the people? I'd love to see us collaborate more. Maybe as we are wrapping up, I saw Mkabayi Mall. I'm like, no man, this is beautiful. To me, that is a work of
beautiful.
art. I said, that's art. I took a picture, my Fred plug of Princess Mkabayi. No, just the logo. I was like, this is beautiful, yes. Episode, I think I was going to check house or something. I showed her, and I posted it. And I'm like, man, this. I'm an artist.
But it's local artists.
Man, I'm like, this is art. That is an art center.
It's beautiful.
So I'm saying, guys, as about Kolus or Zululand, I mean, Buffett, let's gather. I think it's a perfect place. When you enter the mall, sometimes if you there's a guy with a guitar, or there's a band, or there's a poet.
They're playing.
Or there's display.
It's a playhouse.
Or display Tomazake. But I mean, creative. I said it. That is a hub for us as creatives.
The first time I saw it on the pictures on Facebook, and they explained the art and everything.
Yeah.
I said, wow, this is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I want to go and see this for myself.
Yeah.
Because the other thing I said is, to be part of ukuvula kwemkabayi mall in my age nami ngizoxoxela abazayo ukuthi we were there ngo 2004 we know what happened and ukungena khona and seeing that it's like walking in a local museum with faces that you know, dude, faces that abantu they are not focusing on, but ufika kwabantu abanye bazothi abelungu bezonikeza leya platform engakaya that's going to go for generations and generations, bro.
Yeah.
I said this is beautiful. Inhle, I don't want to lie to you. And abantu bazohlala benembono yabo abantu abayibona into enhle noma siseduze kwabo. That is beautiful. That is a work of art. It's 100%. So nice. Everything ekhona phakathi. Mhlambe itoroka akusize zethu vele ezabelungu. But what you see from outside
and what is represented and that naleyo reminder ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. There's a story that it's there to tell, and that's going to live beyond what is okuthola phakathi. And nathi ikhongithana phakathi we've got a platform.
We do.
When they open, there's a guy playing guitar. People too, Bashinchan, and I'm like, this is what I know eThekwini. And mangibua ukuthi young guitar is inspired by art. I'm like, no, this is for us. We need to approach management and say, hey, you can host on a podcast to here. Mark and Bean, we can chill now and do it. But let us use the place. But for our musicians, for the painting, there's many forms of art.
There are many forms of art.
So why don't we gather?
So collaborate. I think the message is a figure. No, let's come together. Ungasabi umuntu ngoba uthi will take away. A cameraman can never take anything away from me. If you uvuli camera yakho and I start to talk, I'm not taking anything away from you, but I'm exposing you now. Ukuthi ngoba isithombe sisihle kanje. It's your work. So must collaborate sebenza so too. You need to find nokuthi umuntu senza umshado yedwa uyashoot wenza umshado yedwa is struggling, is missing ama moments abalekile. Just because awufuna uzehlisa uthi mfethu now uyashoota, can we come together on this if you're not busy and do this sinikwenze no too.
On that note, Njobol, I think Tina, we need to share information, meaning there are so many photographers, videographers, musicians, MCs, poets, and we need to. We don't have a central place where we can meet, and then see network Sazan, and then we can actually work on sharing information or bringing in someone that can come
as network,
as Caesar, as workshop, so that we can improve. Konalana.
No, what has network it's in.
But the platforms are work.
Groove nje kuphela. Let's do that. Ngokushuthi ngoba siyakubona thina. Let's create a network ezohlanganisa wonke umuntu as umsebenzi. Not abantu abangasebenzi, abantu abasebenzayo. Let's try and do that. Sibone ukuthi abantu bazoyireceive kanjani.
It's on record. So ikhuluma off
Hey,
record.
ngayibopha.
I live for it. Kwadu.
So yeah, but this has been nice.
Yeah.
But all in all, know that you are not alone.
Yeah.
In any situation that you
Yeah.
are facing. Wazi awusiwedwa and aqala ngawe.
Aqala ngawe.
And ikuzodlula futhi. Mina nje, let me tell you this. I said to you when we opened, I said I'm a mom also. So I lost my child 2018.
Oh.
She was 5 years. Thank you.
Sorry.
She was 5 years at that time, and she had no problem. She wasn't sick. It was so quick. It didn't take even an hour. It was less than an hour. Ephelela nje la ezandleni zami mntanami. Abamazi, they know she was my best friend. She was my everything. Wayesehamba nesikolo, i-crash. That was so hard on me ukuthi how sengidlule intweni ezingaka mfowethu yabo, and she was never a sick child also yabo. That was so hard on me. Angifuni uqamba banga. When I look back, angazi ukuthi ngaphunyuka kanjani. I always tell people ukuthi I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngazathi nje uNkulunkulu wavela wangibamba nje wangigona nje. And I didn't have lama thoughts okufa and what, but it was so hard. So umuntu we go through izinto for umuntu ozayo ngemuva. I mean, I always tell myself that if I'm going through something, it's not for me. Khona umuntu ozongena kulento and isho kumqeda kunami, and I'm the one who's going to help that person. So I always tackle ama situations kanjalo ukuthi no, this is not for me. Ingashaya mina ingihlikize, but it shouldn't ukuthi shaya the second person imshaya njengoba ishaye mina ngithi yabo. So makuthiwa no just washaywa walinywa, he did that for us ukuthi singaphinde si experience a pain ekanjalo ne. So I always tell myself ukuthi everything that you go through qina mfowethu, no kubuhlungu. I don't want to lie. Kubuhlungu, but you have to observe all the punches, and when you are done,
all of them,
get up and help the next person. All of them. Angifuni uqamba mama ungayiropi nje.
Sayibalekela ipain
sayibalekela. Fana lento uthi makushoniwe umuntu mayeshonela umama wakhe bese kuthiwa hey qina mfowethu. I don't believe in that message. I do not believe in that message. I always tell people ukuthi feel it, uyizwe ipain yalokho, because it's not going to take, Emmanuel, it's going to take 3 years. Feel every moment. If you have to cry. If you have to vent. Go through the grief ngendlela ozizwa ngayo ukuthi you want to go through the grief, and then overcome it, because mhlawumbe uzosiza mina kusasa. Mhlawumbe you're going through this situation ngoba you're going to save my life. Listen, I've been through that. I know the pain of that. And nami ngizo pick up on my head ukuthi no, I'm not alone. That's why easy lithi sinefulo fakazi. Everything that has ever happened la emhlabeni khona umuntu okwake kwamehlela, and uma victory yokuthi it happened to me and I overcame it. Therefore now you cannot lower the standards. You need to overcome it.
Kayazi le nto le, you know, uzohamba ukhuluma nomuntu ukhuluma ngepain yakho ne. Hlale kulalele ne. You know. Hey, and then yena akutshele ngezinto adlule kuzo nezinye asadila nazo. Kodwa umbuka wena ube like hayibo
kanjani
lo muntu umbuka wena wazi ubona nje, and then ubuke yakhe problem
incane kakhulu, usizakela ngithi
uyasizakala kanjalo, but also it teaches you to embrace pain. Ayikho into if sithi siyakholwa vela ayikho into eyenzakala kithi eyenzakala nje ngoba nje yenzeka siyalayeka
noma ungakholwa.
There's a lesson always, and isuku izokwakha something. It's mindset. I think if you want to shift the mindset, then how do you when what is kanjani ama challenges afigera kuwe, because some challenges are khona at any level uzofika kuyona, but some challenges are not there to destroy you, azokufundisa something.
Nanokuthi we have to be honest about some other things also. I recently found out ukuthi uyabo mina ngumuntu okwaziyo ukubhekana nesimo, like isiqu sami naturally Yabo makuthiwa umuntu uzalwe nakho nje unakho. So some people ngifuna ukuya ngapha ku depression. Some people bazalwa bengenayo into yokufesana nesimo. So angifuni ukuthi umuntu athi uNkulunkulu phela mhlawumbe ukuthi beka konke kuNkulunkulu. Yes, some things uyabeka kuNkulunkulu and you work on them also. Yabo, like let's say uthanda ukubuka iporn. Ne, why you let's say you are a person who likes to watch porn, ne, and
it's an addiction.
It's addiction when you pray about it, angithi. Masuthandazile ngakho, ubese ke uzenzela I platform yokuthi ungayibuki iporn. Kodwa kusho ukuthi angeke uyeke ukuyibuka manje vele uthi nje switch off ube kuzowenza ukuthi mhlawumbe uyibuka only once a week yebo leyo nto because you are working on yourself working. So kufana nama depression abanye abantu they can handle inhlungu and depression bayayihandlisha because it's in their DNA not spiritual kuyi DNA yakhe. I recently found out that some people angazi ukuthi kubizwa ngani nkosami ngizogooglisha manje googlisha mhlambe khona into la engqondweni yabo engekho as a fully functioning brain mina enginayo elwisana ne depression. So ingqondo yakhe ayikwazi ukulwisana nezimo. Umele adle I treatment yokuthi I boost umqondo ukuthi so sometimes you need to go to a person ofundele lokho uma ukuthi uyabona ukuthi akusumuntu okwazi ukudlulisa nomuntu okwazi ukwamukela ama punches ngendlela owamamukele ngawo. So you need to go to ama psychologist. We cover this lapha ku Roses Among Stone. You need to go and consult. Like mawuphethwe isisu, you go to a doctor. Mase sikuphethe iviki lonke, you go to a doctor to know isisu samasinqamuki. And then udokotela akutshela ukuthi no isisu noma ama-ulcer noma it's your kidneys or it's what. Uyakudiagnose angithi. So we also nathi singabantu abamnyama singabantu bakhona life right need to go and consult kuma psychologist ukubuza ukuthi am I really fit ukuthi ngilwe nezimpi. Khani bazokutshela bakuhlole bekufaka emshinini bebona ukuthi no wena kukhona into elekhaya it's not you per se but you need to take medication for that kuze ube right. So abanye abantu badla medication but just because trauma just because they went through something they can't recover for. So you can introduce Christ. We always introduce Christ kulobo bantu, but they also need to work on themselves also.
That you sharing that things usiza nabanye abalalelayo and obviously like you said they can do more research on it but ikunika even more grace when in dealing with abanye abantu that you know sometimes like I say you may be a trigger to omunye umuntu onama childhood traumas and angakadili now when uvela ube wena nje triggerisha and then ubona ukuthi usudila nezinto omunye
kuze kuthiwa hey nini simtshela kalaleli we've been telling this person yabo mase kufika to that point you need help okwangempela so you need to seek help ukuthi hayibo I've been told. So sometimes it's not you, but uyagula vele. You need help ukuthi uyagula. You can't handle izinto ekanjani. And at church also we need to teach people that.
Yeah.
No, but I think some people they think ukuthi masusenkonzweni there are no issues that you need. Baze bajudge ukuthi hayibo uthusindisiwe impela wena. Yes, I am saved, but I need help also ukuthi ngicathuliswe. And nokuze esontweni ngesonto kuphela it doesn't do anything kwi life yami yango Monday to Saturday. Ngithi yabo. So we need people abazocathulisa abantu ukuthi every day you work on yourself, you work on improving yourself, your mentality, your physical, your health, everything you do it.
We have to wrap up. There's so much conversation is off record because there's so much figure, but we have to see wrap it up.
Call it a wrap.
Yeah, we're so teen. It's been great, this one.
It's been so nice. Thank you so much.
But I know you're driving back to Elund and all that. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate you. I got to know you. I'm still gonna get to know you. And kuningi okuthembisile that's on record.
We need to work.
Sizosebenza. Yeah. That's what it's about.
But
yeah, so thank you so much. Mhlambe, in closing, what can you say to abantu bethu baka Fred Plug or umphakathi wethu? Actually mina ngithi you spoke about Nongoma. Inkaba yami kaNongoma, ngizala kaNongoma, ngizala Mabuthelezi. Khathi ivula futhi mall. Not ivula mall, khathi izobekwa. Kwakufika yena umkhulu.
Umkhulu wakho.
Ngiyakhumbula imic yayihlupha. Angenze sound. Ihlupha imic. For some reason msekhuma yena because besemdala umkhulu bengasabi.
Engazwakali futhi.
Ivele iwe. Manje ngibuka nama bodyguard eduzane wakhe. Ngibuka nami ngisondele ngagcine ngimile la eceleni ngayibamba. Uthe ekhuluma azaqeda ispeech sakhe. And ayikhuluma because I was right next to him. Ngimbuka la eduzane, I'm like, this man is so wise.
So and much wisdom.
How he handled, because kwakhona nama opposition
party.
But he spoke of human need as an old man, as a wise man, and it, like you're saying, certain things ziyenzeka uthi as I was part of isn't dates unganaki. So I'm saying on that note, not mina ngizwaka Nongoma zalo Mabuthelezi, olundi khona bakithi ke kaMbuli, uZululand lo. Let's not maybe just
box it to fry it, but we need to work also so that when we expand, we know what we're not leaving anyone behind,
exactly.
And we know what we have a bigger team also, because I think with us meeting here today, let's collaborate on some other things. Sisizan, if you need help so Lundi and you want to come that side, I can come support you and help you. So singashiani kahle, we need to good normal we are a moving train but leave no passengers. Also isalelayo ofuna ukusala, but so bese upilati senzeni sigeze izandla. But on a closing note, yazi, thank you so much. Siyabonga futhi nase Busy Corner, siyabonga kakhulu Bhuti Mandla. He continues ukuba you continue mfethu ukuthi usiphakamise kakhulu, because this is not the first time. I think nami ngike ngamhlupha phambilini, and he's always receiving. You want to do this, do it. Mawune idea, you want to do this, let's do it. So siyabonga kakhulu nakuye uBhuti Mandla. So thank you Busy Corner. Thank you so much Mfokambuli. Thank you so much. Yes.
And I see the journey continues.
Yes. So thank you so much for now ukuthi ungayeki ungapheli amandla. I've seen your interviews and I love them so much, and continue to stand strong. Ifried Plug phakame iye phezulu, and ngicela ukubonga nabantu who have contributed to where I am. There are so many people behind me. Angifuna ukuqamba amanga. Abanye abantu, they believe more in me than I believe in myself. I'm not sure. Say, do it. Go for it. Uzoyenza. I have people who support me financially. Noma ngisebenza. I have friends. Khona nje umngane wami usiphe no Lungelo. Oh, God bless their soul. Yes. I want to do this. Like, they support me financially. I don't want to lie to you. Angkumbuli, the last time I keep him it's when we are together, I need to pay for bill 200 rand, because if it's more than that, they pay for it. So those two people, they've been amazing. There's also Untogozo, my team, baningi kakhulu abantu who are behind me. Nabosibonga and everyone, they pushing every day. So ngiyabonga nasekhaya ukuthi bengabi nemhawu nami, yazi mina ngihlala ekhaya Nkosi yami. So ngiyababonga nabo ukuthi Jesus. Uma kusimarobheda uNkulunkulu mshise ngomlilo wakashe. Because we want someone who's going to support your vision. If
Hey, guys, no, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And once again, we're gonna have a second one, a third one, a fourth one.
As many as we can.
As many as we can.
And we urge people to come also onto the platform.
Yes.
If you wish to be part of the platform, contact Umbuli.
Yes.
And then he'll make it happen.
Jalo.
Inshallah.
Already. They understand the land.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you so much.
Handles are social media.
You can plug on. We on TikTok, we on Instagram and a Facebook page.
Avuliwe ma DM ladies.
Ate sikhuluma lento le ngithi mina. We are. If you are interested, please inbox saying come through. We need abantu photographers, but we had spoken no Nanjabulo, we're going to try and mobilize this Sibenda one.
Yes.
So those who manage my social media, because what happens, we do a lot of things this sort, so sometimes we can't reach statistics or so please, we are open to collaborate. Come, so I think expertise in social media, I'm terrible. But the platforms are there. Yeah, I can't keep up.
We see you. We see you sometimes. You are there. I mean, they can get me.
I went
Instagram, Konulange _Lihle 1.
Okay.
And good Twitter, Nonjabulo Nkosi. Twitter it's Lange Lihle nje ugcwele. Bese good on Facebook it's Nonjabulo Nkosi. Angithola for gigs. TikTok Lange Lihle.
Okay.
Okay. And then go Facebook. You can book me for emceeing.
Yeah.
I do weddings.
Yeah.
I do. What do I do? Church services. Yes. I also do. Remember. So
parties you still do. Or
no,
depends what type of parties.
Yeah, yes. I think I'm more in tune with ukuthi abantu bala Friday abazwani ne day groove. I think I'd love to do it day groove, not night groove. No, I don't do that anymore. And part of the reasons why I don't do that anymore, abantu bafuna ukukhokhelana ngotshwala. Asidingi utshwala, we need money. And also if sizijwayelene ungazi noma ngisonta nawe noma ngifellowship now, when you send me an invitation mhlawumbe yomshado wakho yomembeso wakho, you are not automatically saying I'm your MC. Because you need to pay me.
Reservation, Carla?
You need to pay me.
In the process, we are reserved, right? Ngakuthenga nonjabulo on 12 December. Okay,
yes.
It's reserved. Uthule. The only way to secure it is the deposit.
Thank you.
If ungakhokhi and you've been reserved, ngizokufonela amakhono ofunayo lo 12.
Ngikutshela ukuthi khona uthathayo, and that seems it's not harsh.
It's the nature of the business.
I think last week, let me say this. So last week, I get ebusuku and I was gonna go to work. I wasn't working, but I said I was working because I didn't have time.
Yeah.
So. Okay, this other friend of mine, I think a month ago, sends an invitation. I'm like, wow, we'll be there. Okay, nice stuff. We'll be there. And then last week, I think Big Zoba Saturday, last week Friday, she sends me a program. It has my name as an MC.
Oh.
I'm like, what the... Bro, I said I was coming. We never spoke about anything. About MC. I don't MC for free, guys. Even I don't do MCing for free. Because you need to look the part. Okay. You need to be event in. So I can't just come there. And also your brand. You need to, because as Friday, you also want to go to other provinces and stuff. So Oksandi invitation is not saying I'm your MC. You need to speak. Ngosuku olukuthi ngiyacela bese uthi ching 50%. And before I even come to the wedding ngoba ave beney'tori abantu after umshado hayi ngizokhuluma nomamba hayi sesicinga ubani usugcina uyisithutha wena. Listen before I set my foot. ebusuku nje mawukuthi umuntu owenza izinto last minute ngisendele the remaining balance so ngifaka upetrol and I come to your
ingubo
event
sengithungisile
sengiready vele sengiready so okwenza ngelinye ilanga ukuthi uma ufaka u50% doesn't guarantee you ukuthi sengizoza vele faka imali yami yonke as you do with the photographer as you do with your sound as you do with your cake as you do with your everything pay abo MC guys cela nikhokhela abo MC abantu bakhokhela yonke into bese becela uBhuti Zamani ekhaya ezoba uMC umcimbi oright muhle manje uBhuti Zamani uselokethike lokwazalwa yabona indlela owazalwa ngayo mzala no pay abantu abawenzayo umsebenzi bekwenzela umsebenzi wakho kahle abantu they would pay DJ Tira a full amount but they don't want to pay you.
It's disrespectful.
It's disrespect and it's undermining the kind of work that you do. So why go do work for someone who undermines you? When benze into yes.
Pay OMC, pay ama-service providers and siyacela bakithi. Siyayithanda senza.
Asinayi man.
Kodwa sikhokheleni siphila ngayo.
Nkosi yami.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is a wrap. Thank you to all Fried podcasters.
Yes.
Sizobonana kwelizayo.
Thank you. Kwelizayo.
Kwezayo. Phela kumzalwane phela. Hey dawe.
Jesus. Sisophuma lapha Nkosi yami isiginqene emoto bese ngidlala lama podcast nithi and sasho ukuthi sizobonana kwelizayo.
That's prophet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.